How to fix cart not letting you remove items on Shopify. So if your Shopify store customers are clicking remove or changing items quantities to 0 in their shopping cart, only for the item to stay stuck on or refresh back into the cart, it can definitely kill your conversion rate. So this glitch is usually caused by Ajax cart drawer scripts, conflicting upsell apps, or outdated theme code. Let's fix it. So first, let's test if the issue is tied to your slide out cart drawer, JS, or a third-party upsell app. So go to your Shopify admin, you go to Online Store, Themes, and click, of course, Customize next to your custom theme. On the left sidebar, click on the theme settings, right here, and then select Cart, right here, Cart from the list. Then you find the cart type, which is this one right here, and then temporarily switch it to drawer or pop-up to page, and then hit save. When you do that, just click three dots here, open incognito, insert your website's address, and test your page. So if items remove cleanly, a third-party upsell is overriding your cart drawer JavaScript. So simply update or disable that app's embed in your theme customizer right here, guys. And now if items still won't delete on the cart page itself, your theme's line item remove links might be missing the proper line keys. So just next to your theme, let me close that, click three dots, edit code. In the search bar, look for the key that I will show you now. So in here, just type in main cart liquid. There you go. This one. Then press Ctrl F to open up search. And let me show you what you need to find. Search for cart change or quantity. And ensure that the remove button URL uses the correct Shopify liquid path. And then click save here. That's it for this one. As always, like the video if this helped and subscribe.